All right, now we're doing 7Q counting valleys. This is by Valefar, and 92% of the people like it. We need to count how many valleys we will pass. Start is always from 0 level. Every time we go down below 0 level counts as an entry of a valley, and every time we go up from the 0 level, every time we go up to 0 level from valley counts as an exit of a valley. One past valley equals one entry and one exit of a valley. All right, so here's basically it. Up, forward, down is this, so we don't even really need to worry about forward. We're just worried about these ups and downs. And so since this went down here and then came up here, this is one valley right there. So for this one, we're going to do a couple things. First thing we're going to do is declare some variables. We're going to say let result equal 0, and we're also going to say level equal 0, right? Now we're going to do a for of statement, and if you don't know about the for of, basically it's the for of statement executes a loop that operates on a sequence of values sourced from an iterable object. The iterable objects include instances of built-ins such as arrays, strings, typed arrays. Well, it doesn't matter, all that stuff. What matters is the string, because this thing's going to be a string. So instead of like having to chop it up into an array, we can just do this for of, so we can skip that step. So we're going to say for let I of s, all right? And so it's basically any of these, it's just going to take one character at a time. And we're going to say, first off, if, so we're going to check if it's this one right here, if it's this one right here. So if, what is it? If I equals u, so if it's one of these u's, and level equals -1, all right, we're going to say result plus plus, all right? So when the level's here and it's going up, that's result plus plus, because it had to have gone down to get to -1, all right? So now we've got that taken care of. We're going to take care of this, we're going to do this little result thing, we're going to take care of these levels as well, so it knows how to go down and go up when it sees a D or a U. So first things we're going to say is if I is not F, all right? So as long as it's not one of these F's, we're going to say if I equals U, result plus plus, and else result minus minus if it's a D. And then after that, we're going to come down here and say return result. And hopefully this works. Not result, level on both of these. Level. And then here, level. All right. Now let's test it out. Nope. Equals U. Oh, we got to put an extra equal sign here. Test it out one more time. And there we go. Attempt it. All right, submit it. And it kind of looks like this one. They did a for each instead, but they still did this stuff. And they didn't do an if else. They just did this instead. And then pretty much the same stuff all going down. Let's go to mine. Just me on this one. Best practice in my opinion. Very much like this one. And we'll see you next time.